Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and this is a video which I mentioned probably back when I hit like 1,000 subscribers. This is the sort of thing I wanted to do, and it's a giveaway. Haven't done one of these for such a long time, so apologies for that. But it is coming up to that time of the year, you know, Christmas is very soon upon us, so how nice would it be if I was able to give away something to my subscribers in a big thank you for obviously, you know, staying subscribed, liking, commenting, you know, even sharing the videos, anything like that is fantastic. So this is an appreciation to all of you. So what I have here is this box here from, and as you can see it says ABBL. Now I actually did a video on this company, and the company who actually supplied this for me, so a big shout out to them, is ABP Auto Care. I'll pop a link to them in the description, their Instagram, but also what I will do is I'll put a link into the whichever corner of the video it is, I can't really remember. But basically I did a video on a load of their products. It was all sort of, you know, prep, shampoo, snow foams, waxes, all sorts. I still use those products today. I think they're fantastic, they smell brilliant, the finish, ease of use is fantastic, so highly recommend them. So make sure to watch to the end of the video because then I will tell you how to enter the competition. So let's show you what you're going to get. So first off, we have this really nice quick detailer spray. We have this air freshener, which honestly is so nice. It looks cool. It's like a little plank of wood, and the smell is really, really nice. I still have mine in my car. We then have this really cool, like, interior car perfume. So the idea with that is you can just sort of give it a quick spray on the inside of your car. Or what you can do is they've supplied these little cards, which looks like an air freshener, but doesn't smell of anything. The idea is it looks like you can spray this perfume onto this, and obviously just when it sort of goes a bit weaker, you can just replenish it. And then we also have this little shampoo snow foam tester, which looks like, you know, you could either do one really good dose of it. It probably looks like it's definitely enough to fill a full snow foam lance. So that is a cool little bonus. And lastly, it's this Yap lanyard. Now, you know, whether or not you've got any use for it doesn't matter because it's going to be free anyway. And just to make this even better, there's two of these. Yep, so not just one person is going to win one of these. I have got another set. Okay, so how to enter. What you need to do is make sure to like the video, make sure you're a subscriber. If you aren't subscribed, you just got to click the subscribe button. And also it's always cool to click the little bell icon to keep up to date with new videos that go live. And also it'll make sure you get a notification for when the winner video comes live for this. And lastly, and most importantly, make sure to comment with the make and model of your car, the mileage, and if you've got anything like a nickname for the car, then throw that in as well. So just to check, it's like, subscribed, and make sure to comment with the make, model, mileage of your car, and if you've got a nickname, throw that in as well. Right, I'll give the video at least a week, if not maybe 2 weeks, so it's a little bit closer to Christmas. And then what I'll do is I'll do a random selector. You can do this online, so I'll do it where I'll screen record it so you can see. In all fairness, everyone who's fulfilled the criteria is in the list, and 2 people who are going to win this will be announced. So that's it everyone, make sure to do what you need to do. See you in the next video. Bye. And then we also have this little, oh, this thing just keeps falling. Put that there. And big shout out, this thing just keeps falling.